Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app permission and a way to get accurate data. Turn on location or GPS and choose high accuracy so the map uses Wi-Fi and satellites. Once done, open your Maps app and accept precise location access. This lets the app place you on the map. Then tap the search box or speak the address clearly. Doing these steps immediately connects your device to mapping services and prepares results without extra waiting. With permissions set, tap the blue dot to center on your position or long press the map to drop a pin and lock coordinates. This is how you get an exact point to inspect. Use satellite or terrain layers to confirm buildings, roads, or topography. Once you see the pin, swipe up the place card for coordinates, address details, and nearby amenities. Make sure to zoom in and pan slightly. Small offsets can reveal the correct entrance or side street you need. After confirming the spot, save it as a favorite or label it so you can access it later quickly. Then choose directions to start navigation or tap share to send a location link with coordinates to someone else. Make sure to select the correct travel mode for ETA accuracy. If the app won't show your location, check GPS toggle, app permissions, and that airplane mode is off. Restarting the device or toggling location off and on typically resolves most tracking issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.